Okay, she said you should thumbs up. Say thumbs up. Say thumbs up. Good job.
Good job.
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Where the skunk is? Where is skunk? He ran. He ran.
You want to give them flower? Flower? You want to give them your flower?
Yeah.
You want to give my friend your flower?
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that.
Good morning. So it's my daughter's.
Good morning.
Good morning. So it's my daughter's first day at school after quarantine. She was so happy when I woke her up this morning and I told her, oh, testimony, you are going to school. She was so happy. You know, it has not been easy for the kids to stay at home for almost 3 months, because almost sometimes she wake up in the morning, get her school bag, and she will come to me and like, Mama, school. I'll be like, there's no school, and she will start crying. Now she's so excited. So I'm on my way to drop her off. So see you guys.
You lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're whole.
Hi guys. Yeah, run.
Follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
School. We are going inside. Yeah. Hello. We are going inside. Also. So guys, I just dropped her off at school. So I am not, normally we were sent an email. So we are not allowed into the school premises. We are only to drop our daughter or child at the entrance of the school, and likewise, if we are to pick them up, we have to pick them at the door as well. So I was asked to fill a paper. So in the paper, it indicates that she doesn't have any symptoms of the COVID-19, and also she has never been in contact with someone that has it. So I just fill out the paper. So now I'm heading to the supermarket. Now that she has started school, we need to always put fruit. Normally that is how I do it. I normally put fruit in a lunch box and all that. So now I'm heading to the supermarket to get some stuff, and I will head home. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Hamdat. I am a mom of 3 and I base in Germany. So on my channel I do a lot of things from food, lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, and a little bit of fashion haul. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you all, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So guys, off to the supermarket I go.
We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. fall. We will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're whole.
So these are the things that I got. Are you wondering where my baby is? Baby is trapped at my back. I bought 2 water and there's no how I'll be able to, you know, carry the water with my baby and all that. So I had to strap him at my back. I strap him at my back, then I put all the stuff that I got from the supermarket, I put them in the kinder wagon. So now we are going home. Come and say hi, guys. Come and say hi, guys. Say hi to the mommies. Hi, guys. What are you eating? So, guys, Kenny, I should carry you. Well, I don't really have much to do around the house because I did most of my chores yesterday. Clean the sitting room, clean up my kitchen, sweep the house. So the only thing I just have to do is arrange my daughter's room and my room. That's all. And fix food for this small Oga. So this is not a long vlog or a cleaning vlog or such. So I'm going to see you guys when I'm off to pick my daughter from school in the afternoon. So the normal closing hour now is not like the normal one, because before she do close by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but now she will be closing by 11:30. So that is the new closing time. So I'll see you guys in 2 hours because it's almost 9 o'clock. So see you guys in 2 hours time. Say bye bye to the mommies. So guys, it's 11 a.m. and I am off to pick my daughter from the kindergarten. As I said earlier in the vlogs, I said the closing time has changed because before she normally closed by 2 p.m. but now the time has changed. So the closing time is 11 a.m. so 11:30 I mean. So I think it's about 10 minutes past 11. Since I'll not be going by bus because I normally go by bus during winter, so I am trekking. And oh, what is water? And from my house to our school is about 10 minutes, so it's like 10 minutes past 11. So before 11:30 I'll get to our school, then I'll pick her up. So see you guys soon. Look at your hair. Look at sand in your hair.
No, Mom, you're not true.
What? I should not touch your hair.
Me wash hair.
I should not touch your hair.
No, me.
Jaden, let's go.
Let go.
You can't sit down. Put your bag here. Put your bag.
Bag?
Yes. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, go and take Jaden. Let's go. Jaden, come. Jaden, come. Oh yeah, go. Jaden should walk a little.
Stop.
I should stop. Why?
Oh, don't kneel next to this baby sister.
Okay, yeah, you are sister.
Yeah, sister.
Sister. Sister. You don't want to go home. That's why you are crying, Abby.
No, I'm crying.
Sorry, okay?
Okay.
Sorry. What is that? Huh? You and Flower. Let's go. What is that?
Bye. Wow, flower.
Flower. Stop smelling it. Does it have any smell? Let's go.
Let go.
Mm.
Let go.
So guys, we are finally home. She was crying when I went to pick her up.
Hey, get that tea there.
Okay, she said you should thumbs up. Say thumbs up.
Ah!
Say thumbs up. Good job.
Good job.
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Where the skunk is? Where is skunk? He ran.
You want to give them flower?
Hey.
Flower? You want to give them your flower?
Yeah.
You want to give my friend your flower? Yeah, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.